This is a follow-up from Ephrata, Pennsylvania. It's actually 91 miles. We started at 7:20 a.m. And here what the birds did. Here's the yards per minute. I got some slow ones. I took 29 birds. It says 30, but I got somebody else's birds step on my clock, on my antenna. So I actually took 29 birds. I left 6 back. They were late hatches, so I don't want to take a chance with them. Here they go. 7:20 a.m. That's here will show you how far I went from my house. So 29 in, 29 back. 29 out, 29 back. Yeah, they did pretty good. 1,286 yards per minute. They made it here 9:23. We let them go 7:20. 9:23. 2 hours and 3 minutes. The first one got in, and the last one got in. I know it was. I have birds over here from all over the people. If you see my my previous video, you can see they got mixed up with a whole bunch of birds from Pennsylvania, but they're all good. They're all here. All right, that's it. Just to let you know what was the outcome of today's group toss. Take care now. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is Stratos Loft. Take care now.